Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this video we're celebrating Trinity Stamp's holiday release and we are having a video hop as well as an Instagram hop. So make sure that you are hopping along on both places to get a lot of inspiration and also a chance to win some gift cards. So for my project today, I started out by coloring this super cute large image called I have it here in front of me. It's called Freezing Family. Freezing Family. And it's really cute and it's perfect for you to color in. I just chose a couple of markers that I enjoy using. I chose the Copics because I have a lot of colors that I like, and also I know them pretty well. I'm using them frequently, so I just reach for the markers that I feel comfortable using. So it took all the guessing out for me, but you can use all whatever medium you like. And yeah, they are super cute. You can see here when I color them in all of these bright colors how they really pop against that white. And also this C1 marker is really creating the highlight for the white snowmans here. And that little bunny is also super cute. I gave them all some rosy cheeks just because they are so adorable. And then I will also go in with a white gel pen off camera. But before I do that, I will actually take the coordinating dies and cut out the image. You can see that some of the snowbanks and those little rocks or whatever they are didn't cut out, so that is something to think about when you are using the coordinating dies. So I wanted my snowmans to have a backdrop or a shadow, so I'm using one of my favorite pale bluish colors here that match the blue that I used on my project. And I'm also using Trinity's blending brushes here. And you can see here that I also pulled out some of the little snowflakes in this set, just mounted them to an acrylic block and then stamped them across my panel. You will see later on that I am also taking die cut snowflakes to fill in the white space up here. And you can see I didn't blend this perfectly, but it will only peek out beneath my snowman. And to coordinate with this, I also created my own envelope. So I cut the large piece here out of a white piece of cardstock, as well as the both of the sides. There is also an inner piece for our envelope, but I didn't use it for today's video. And by the way, this is also a new product called A2 Envelope Builder. The stencil I'm using is the checkered background add-on, and it's the snowflake one. You can see I'm just inking it up and stretching it across my panel. You can see I can easily line up my snowflakes here and just move it so I get a good coverage for my entire envelope here. And at the finishing here I messed up. I sort of accidentally moved my paper a little bit, so I get a shadow there that I didn't like, so I just took some more colors and inked over that, and nobody will ever know my little mistake there. So here we go, and I did the same for both of our inside flaps. And yeah, just ink them a little bit more. And then I will score this and score these ones, the sides. And then I will attach it with some liquid glue. You can use whatever glue you have in your stash. Trinity has a really good glue, but it's somewhere on my messy desk. I use it a lot. You can see here I'm just scoring everything, and then I will finish our card here as well. So I'm attaching my snowmans here to the bottom part of my paper, and you can see also that I cut a couple of large snowflakes. These are from the new Snowflake Trio. You can see them here on screen. They are super beautiful and elegant. I know that I will be back using them a lot. They are really pretty. And I cut them and tucked them around my little scene here. So they are 3 in the set, and I used the 2 largest ones here. Cut off the exit And I really think this finished off our card beautifully. I also put one large snowflake at the envelope just to tie everything together. And these are velcros that has some adhesive to the back. So I decided not to attach my side to the envelope. You could totally do that, but I will hand deliver this card, so I didn't do that. And I also took some embellishment to finish this card off. So I hope you enjoyed this video, taking a closer look at some of the new products from Trinity. And don't forget that this video is a part of a blog hop, or video hop I should say, and the next person in line is listed down below. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!